things you should keep private for your life. 1. Your financial information, bank details, investment plan, and income. 2. Your personal plans, your big life decision and your goals. 3. Your health issues. Don't tell out your health problems to any person. Keep it private. Number 3, family matters. Don't share your family problem outside. Keep it private, family issues. Number 4, password. Don't tell your weakness to any person, because one day, one time, they will take revenge against you. Another one is relationship dramas. Any problem you face in your relationship, don't ever let the people outside to have any idea about it. Another one is security details. Don't share your home address, your travel plans. You have to keep everything private.